Angelfish, lionfish, color so bold, a magical world of stories told. The seahorse floats in gentle sway, hiding in the kelp all day. Here comes tuna, strong and fast, in the deep sea zooming past. Angelfish, clownfish darting by, with fins so swift they zoom and fly. Parrotfish, lionfish, color so bold, a magical world of stories told. The seahorse floats in gentle sway, hiding in the kelp all day. Here comes tuna, strong and fast, in the deep sea zooming past. Angelfish, clownfish darting by, with fins so swift they zoom and fly. Parrotfish, lionfish, color so bold, a magical world of stories told. Blue tank flashes sleek and bright, pufferfish puffs up in fright. Hammerheads here with eyes so wide, searching the sandy ocean side. Butterfly fish with stripes so neat, and goby hides in a rocky seat. Moray eel, long and lean, slides through corals unseen. Angelfish, clownfish darting by, with fins so swift they zoom and fly. Parrotfish, lionfish, color so bold, a magical world of stories told. So many fish, from big to small, each one special, we love them all. The sea's a place of mystery, home to fish wild and free. So many fish, from big to small, each one special, we love them all. The sea's a place of mystery, home to fish, wild and free.